Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, what is going on? So many of you have been asking me to create this updated video today to show you how to get free VC in NBA 2K26. You can use a free VC 2K26 glitch to get 450,000 VC for free, and that costs around $100 if you was to purchase it, guys. And this is a NBA 2K26 locker code that you can redeem in-game, and it is going to supply your account with the VC for free. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like in this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do plan on making more NBA 2K26 VC glitch tutorials. So let's not waste any more time and let's show you guys how to get this NBA 2K26 locker code for free VC. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone, and what you're going to want to do is open up the internet browser. You can do this on your iPhone or Android, and you've got to go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. so just type it like that. It's going to bring you to this website here, guys, and they actually have NBA 2K25 as well, but yeah, you can see they have so many different pages on here. They probably have like hundreds and hundreds of different codes, so that's absolutely awesome. You can have a browse and see what else they have, but what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use the search bar at the top where it says search here. I better get charging my phone in a minute, guys. You can see the battery's pretty low. So anyway, go to the search bar and just type in NBA 2K26. So I'm just going to punch that in. You're looking for this page here, guys. There's a couple of verified codes on here, so what you're going to want to do is just scroll down on this page until you find this code, guys. This is an NBA 2K26 450,000 free VC code. So this is a simple locker code that you can enter in your game, and it is going to supply your account with this huge amount of VC. Now, I call this a glitch because this code isn't supposed to give you this much VC. But anyway, as you can see, these are limited codes with 245 coupons left. Now, you need to unlock your personal 2K26 VC locker code. Now, to do that, you've got to click on this button here. Super easy. You just follow the instructions on this screen. This basically tells you how to unlock your code. So complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Cold Coupons. Now, these applications here sponsor Cold Coupons, and that's how they can supply us these free VC codes. So as you can see, there's a simple things like installing TikTok and open it and run it for 30 seconds. So if you don't have TikTok, this is a really easy one. You simply tap on it and it will take you to the App Store or the Google Play Store, where you have to download TikTok and just open the app. So that's a really easy one. I recommend you do that if you don't have TikTok. If you already have TikTok, you can choose a couple of different ones. This one's really easy as well. They're just so easy, guys. Just follow the text, because that tells you how to complete the tasks. If you do that, your 2K26 locker code will be revealed. You can redeem it in game, and in this case it's going to give you 450,000 free VC. So that is it, guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons and then search for the NBA 2K26 codes page and select the free VC code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.